Hey, what's up everybody? This is All Out with Mobile WizTech and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing a full review of the Supcase lineup for the Samsung Galaxy Note20 Ultra. And I'll be jumping right in right after this. Before I get started, if you like my content, please consider subscribing to my channel by hitting that subscribe and the notification bell button. That way you can always stay informed whenever I post new content on my channel. Alright, so the first case we're going to look at is the Exo Black color. Let's go ahead and get this open. Alright, and let's get this removed first, because this is a two-piece case. Alright, so we're going to first place this here and then place the bottom just like this. There it is. Alright, so you have the easy access to buttons. No problems there. Camera's protected. Nice grip to it. And of course, you get access to that problems there at all. And of course, you got your port access. Alright, so let's look at the next case. Really quick, I just want to show you the red color Exo Pro case. As you can see there, with the lip. Okay, and there you have it. Next we have the blue Exo. Look at this one. Yeah, just fall out of there. All right, let's get this in there. All right, slap this on here. Let's slap the phone in there. There we go. That's dope. That's real dope. Okay. Of course, you get the easy access to buttons as I mentioned earlier. Same case, different color. All right. Your top cutout, bottom cutouts, and of course, you get that S Pen access. If you're wondering how to do that, to have your S Pen sound like a lightsaber, make sure you watch this video here and it walks you through how to get your S Pen to sound like a lightsaber. Alright, so let's look at the next case. The next case we're going to look at is the UB Pro Black color. Alright, let's get this open. Get all this stuff off of here. And as you can see, this comes with the holster as well. And this is a two-piece case. You also have a kickstand. Pretty cool. Let's get this off. Okay. It's on there tight this time. There we go. Just slap your top portion onto the phone just like this, and of course you just drop the phone in here. There you have it. Alright. Get that protection on your screen protection, as you can see here. Alright. And easy button access. Make sure you get the S Pen access too. And you have your easy port access as well. Come on, focus for me. There we go. Port access. And your bottom cutouts, top cutouts. All right, and of course, get that kickstand. Pretty cool addition there. And of course you have your holster, so you can easily just slide your phone in here. Okay, and of course this swivels too, so you can wear it different directions. All right, so let's look at the next color. All right, next we have the UB Pro Good in color. Let's take a look at this one. Pretty cool looking there. Okay. Of course, you get that. Look at that color, pretty dope. All right, so let's get this off. All right, so let's just go ahead and get this slapped on top of here. Slap this right on here. Here we go. Pretty dope color right there. Well, color combination. All right, of course you get the button access, real easy. And of course you get this here. Never get tired of hearing that. All right, and then of course you get that port access there, bottom cutouts, then your top cutout. All right, so let's look at the last two colors. Next we have the UB Pro Rudy. All right, Rudy Red. Let's take a look at this color real quick. All right, pretty dope looking as well. All the material just falling over the floor. All right, so we got this one here. Let's pull this off. Up, here we go. Slap this on top of this phone real quick. All right, get you on there. Let's slap this in here. Look at that, look at that. Dope. All right, easy button access. All right, and we got, of course, your bottom cutouts. S Pen access. Top cutout. All right. And you got your camera protection, of course. Of course, you got that kickstand. All right. So let's look at the last color. Now the last color we have here is the UB Pro Violet. Let's open this last one here. Get this stuff out the way. All right. Peel this off. Get this off of here. Slap this on top of the phone. Drop this right in here. All right, there you go. And button access. Of course, you have your bottom cutouts, and once again, S Pen access. Charge port, speaker, top cutout. All right, so there you have it. Again, this feels good in the hand, real comfortable, and not going anywhere if you're grabbing it. It's not slippery or anything like that. All right. If you're interested in one of these cases, there will be a link in the description. You can use that link to purchase one of these cases. And this completes my review of the Supcase lineup for the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. I thank you for watching this video, and if you liked it, please show your support by giving it a thumbs up and subscribing. Also, share it out and comment below. Until next time, keep it mobile.